Coloring coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists! Can you guess what we're going to draw and color today? Here's a clue. It's big, it lives in the ocean, and it has lots and lots of teeth. You're right. Today, we're diving under the sea to color a super cool shark. Get your crayons, markers, or colored pencils ready, because this is going to be fantastic. When you're drawing your shark, think about that sleek, powerful body that helps it swim super fast through the water. Don't forget the big, wide mouth full of sharp teeth, the strong tail, and of course the famous dorsal fin. That's the one on top that sticks out of the water when the shark is swimming near the surface. And guess what? You don't have to stick to grey or blue. You can color your shark pink, green, rainbow, or even polka dotted. It's your drawing, and your imagination is the most powerful tool of all. Want your shark to have shiny stars on its fins or wear sunglasses? Go for it! There are no rules when it comes to art. Now, while you're coloring, here are some super fun facts about sharks. Did you know that sharks have been around for more than 400 million years? That means they were swimming in the oceans even before the dinosaurs walked the earth. Whoa! Also, sharks don't have bones. That's right. Their skeletons are made of cartilage, the same stuff that's in your nose and ears. That helps them stay light and speedy swimmers.
Yellow.
Some sharks, like the great white, can even jump out of the water when they're hunting.
Black.
Can you imagine a flying shark? Yikes! Oh, and here's something really cool. Some sharks glow in the dark.
Light blue.
It's true. They can give off a soft glow called bioluminescence, especially deep down in the ocean where it's really dark. Maybe you want to make your shark glow too. Add some bright colors or glowing outlines to make it extra magical. If you're having fun and want to see more amazing coloring videos just like this one, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. That way, we can keep exploring new animals, creatures, and adventures together. Alright, let's keep going. Did you know the whale shark is the biggest shark of them all? It can grow as long as a school bus. That's huge! But don't worry, whale sharks only eat teeny tiny things like plankton, so they're totally harmless to people. And there's even a shark that can walk. Well, sort of. The epaulet shark uses its fins to walk across the ocean floor. It's kind of like a wiggly crawl.
Orange.
Nature is so full of surprises, so take your time, have fun with your colors, and make your shark as silly, spooky, or sparkly as you want. Remember, every drawing is a masterpiece when you put your heart into it. You're doing an awesome job, and I can't wait to see how your shark turns out. If you liked the video and want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Keep creating, keep imagining, and keep swimming through the ocean of your imagination. See you next time, little artists.
Coloring coloriendo.